If you're building a website in Framer and you want to start collecting emails, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the different ways you can collect email addresses in Framer, whether you want to keep it simple with built-in tools or connect to powerful email marketing platforms like Mailchimp, Formspark, or ConvertKit. Let's start with the easiest and most recommended method, using Framer's built-in forms. Framer has a native form builder that makes collecting emails incredibly simple. All you need to do is open the Insert panel, drag a form component onto your page, and customize it to fit your design. You can add different input fields like text fields, email inputs, and dropdowns. It also gives you full control over styling, including hover states and focus states, so your form looks clean and professional. This is usually the best option if you want something fast, reliable, and fully integrated inside Framer without extra setup. Now, if you're using Mailchimp to manage your email list, you can easily connect it to your Framer site. First, log into your Mailchimp account and create a new audience signup form. Make sure to choose the embedded form option so you can access the form action URL. Once you have that URL, go back to Framer, drag the Mailchimp component onto your page, and paste the form action URL into the component settings in the right-hand panel. That's it. Your form submissions will now go directly into your Mailchimp audience. If you prefer other third-party services, you can also integrate tools like Formspark or ConvertKit. These platforms are great if you want more flexibility or advanced automation. In Framer, you can access their components through the Insert menu or connect your form using automation tools like Zapier. This allows you to automatically send form data to your email, CRM, or even a custom database. It's perfect if you want to build more advanced workflows without writing code. There are also specialized marketplace components available inside Framer for more specific needs. For example, you might find newsletter sign-up components designed for platforms like Bravo. These pre-built components can save you time and offer additional customization tailored to specific email services. So, overall, you have multiple ways to collect emails in Framer. You can use the built-in form builder for a quick and seamless solution, integrate directly with Mailchimp by pasting the form action URL, connect third-party services like Formspark or ConvertKit for more advanced setups, or explore marketplace components for specialized features. Choose the method that fits your workflow, and you'll be ready to start building your email list right away.